I'm Chef Carol, and today I'm going to make a cheesecake, no-bake keto style. In this container, I have added 2 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature, a tablespoon of sour cream, 1.5 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, a 1/2 tablespoon of powdered monk fruit or sweetener that you prefer, and 1/8 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I also added 1/8 teaspoon of cream cheese extract. Using my hand blender, so once the mixture is smooth, you can take that, add your favorite fruit, and any day you want an instant cheesecake, today will be the day. Bon appetit.